guys, I'm back with another video. I know it's been about 4 months now. I wanted to let you guys in this warehouse that I'm working at now to show you guys a little bit of what I'm actually doing now. It's no longer Amazon Relay. Amazon Relay was a joke. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. The job that we're doing now, it's very simple. You do got to work with 2 different apps, but it's nothing crazy. And you have to do, scanning with both apps. You have to scan and take pictures. Nothing crazy. Loading time, it's about, I would say maybe 10-15 minutes to load, and then drop-offs, it's about the same. About 10-15 minutes drop off, and you're done with the stop. You're out to your next one. And then I park the truck every single day between, I would say between 11 a.m. and 12 noon every single day. But the start time is pretty early. Like I said, it's 5 o'clock right now. We're getting ready to go in. I have you guys, I don't know if you can see it. Let's turn this on. I have you guys on the chest mount. And I'm gonna sneak you guys inside the warehouse so you can see what it's like. It's very organized. Everything is very simple. Everything well put together. There's no mess. There's no forklift drivers driving around. It's just like peaceful inside.
Unexpected. Unexpected. Unexpected.
¿Ah? ¿Cuántas tiendas lleva?
7.
7 paletas, ¿cuántas tiendas? 2 tiendas. A mí me están dando una, la otra está flojo. La otra tienda, sí.
All right, we're done with the loading, and now all we have is one drop off today. It's Walmart's. I go to Walmart's. I go to 2 Walmart's, and I drop off those pallets at both of those Walmart's. Yesterday, one of the Walmart's had no orders, and same thing today. Just dropping off what's supposed to be my second and last drop. It's gonna be my first and last because it's the only thing I have. So we're going straight, going to upstate New York. It's about 2.5 hour drive, 3 hours maybe, I don't know, give or take with traffic. And we'll be done with just getting those 5 pallets off the truck and do the same thing again, scan them all, and we're done. Just like that, we're done with that. I didn't show the scanning process. It's just simple, the same as just like in the morning. You have to take a picture of the label of every single pallet and then scan every single pallet and then go to another app and then scan every single pallet. And that's it. And then take a picture of all the pallets together and collect signature. And that's it. You're done. What time is it now? It's 8:30 in the morning. I have I would say about an hour and a half drive back to the yard from here. Let me roll this up to keep some of that noise out there. I've made a lot of videos, and it's sad to say that I still don't know how to use this. It goes here perfect, but it doesn't auto adjust like a phone does. And it does have an auto option where you just put it on auto, and then it's supposed to do the same thing that the phone does, but it's just horrible. I don't get it. They should make one of these cameras. I mean, this is the very first DJI Osmo Action that came out, and DJI, it's at the Osmo 5, I think now, maybe 6, I don't even know. This is the first one. This is the DJI Osmo, what is it? Osmo Action 1. This is the very first one. I don't know if they made that after with the other ones, that they can like auto adjust. I don't know if it's a thing or not. Maybe because you're supposed to be a pro, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a professional. I don't know how to use it. I mean, I can, if I'm outside, I have to adjust to whatever brightness it is out here. But then when I go indoors, it'll be very dark. And then I have to go back on image. And then imagine me inside the warehouse, or in this case, inside of Walmart, in front of everybody, trying to adjust it to, like, you know what I mean? Like, what are you doing? You're recording all these packages with all these labels and people's addresses on them? I don't want that. So that last part that you saw, that one pallet that I pulled out, that was with the cell phone. I'm just gonna get I think I have a mount for the cell phone. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the cell phone mount on this because, guys, I'm sorry, but I don't know how to use this still after so many years that I've had this. I don't know how to use it. But anyway, so it's Walmart, Capstone Logistics, and Walmart. And we have, I don't know about other drivers, but we as in me and the other guys that work for the same person, we all have like 2 Walmarts. And lately it's just been like one Walmart for me, because the other Walmart, which is about an hour, I would say about an hour 5 minutes maybe. That one, they haven't been getting any packages. So all they're giving me is just this one Walmart, and I'm just coming straight over here. I mean, I still get paid the same. But maybe, I mean, if it stays, because they were telling me the other day that last time I went there, the guy said, I don't even know why they're sending these pallets to this Walmart, because they have to go right back out to a different Walmart. And he told me the place where the other Walmart is. I'm not familiar with the area. Unless they're trying to fix that around, where instead of bringing them over there, we're going to start bringing them to the other Walmart. I'm not really sure. Or they might just give me some other Walmart to make the 2 Walmarts a day, because all I'm doing is one Walmart right now. But anyway, I got connected with someone the very first day that I worked with him as training. He asked me during work. He says, "Hey, do you know anybody with a cargo van?" I said, no, I don't. I don't know anyone with a cargo van. Why? He says, I have a bread route. That was like a punch to my stomach. I had just got rid of my my cargo van, what, months ago? Maybe 5 months ago? I don't even remember. It's been a little minute now. And he says, I have a bread route that I can't cover, but I don't want to lose the account. And I'm looking for someone with a cargo van. So I got to talk to him again, because I might just get another cargo van and run that bread route. Maybe hire someone to do the bread route. He told me how much he's going to pay. And it's pretty decent. So, I mean, I could pay a driver to do the bread route. He said it's pretty simple. They don't have to stack bread or anything like that. Just bring the bread to these stores, supermarkets, and, you know, little corner stores and stuff like that. And I got to talk to him again to see if maybe I'll just get another cargo van and start doing that. Hire a driver to do it while I'll stay with him over here, because I still want to get a box truck and put it in here. He has 5 small box trucks, and he has about 4 or 5, you know, these 26 footers. This one's a rental. And he's going to be buying, you know, obviously this is costing him a lot of money. So, you know, he's going to starting now in January, he's going to start searching for a 26-foot box truck, you know, to bring this back in, you know, to give it back to Ryder. But he has 5 little box trucks. I think they're called cutout vans, or cutout, you know, it's like it's the front of a cargo van. Maybe GMC Savannah. He has a GMC Savannah, Chevy Express, Ford Econoline. You know, the front with the cargo van, but then he's got a little tiny, like a 16-foot little box attached to it in the back. That's what he has, and he wants to get rid of all of them. He was doing postal U.S. mail with those little trucks, but Capstone and I don't know who else got into like a big argument, and everybody lost their accounts. Like, he had 8 accounts with the post office, and he lost all of them because of them. So now he was telling me that around March, he's going to start getting those accounts back, but he's only going to get like 3 accounts or 4, maybe at max. Not all 8 accounts like he had. And I told him, I said, well, you work your way up again. So that's coming. And then he's got this going with, you know, with the Walmarts. This is pretty simple. You know, obviously there's room to make a lot more money. I mean, it's 8:30 in the morning and I'm done. I could work till 5 o'clock in the afternoon if there's more stuff to do. But as of right now, there's nothing going on. It's just the Walmarts, and that's it. So those are the plans. Now I'm gonna talk to him about those little box truck that he has. Obviously a cargo van would be a lot more comfortable, you know, to move around the city and stuff, to do the bread route. But if it makes more sense with one of these little box truck that he has, then I'll probably just buy one of those box trucks from him, and then, you know, just have someone run that route. And or like I said, if it makes more sense with a cargo van, then maybe I'll just buy a cargo van and run that. But I still want to buy a box truck. Like I said, I still want to buy a box truck and put it in here. But I'm still waiting on. There's something that I'm going through that I've been working with for several months now, and then, you know, it's just holding me back. And I really have to take care of this, and hopefully, you know, I can, you know, we can settle and, you know, move forward. But as of right now, I can't really jump into like a box truck or something like that, because, you know, like I said, there's something that I need to get out of the way first. Once I know that I'm done with that, then, you know, and then that's it. I have nothing more to do with that. And we'll jump on a cargo van or a box truck or both. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I mean, I don't have a lot of money to buy both, but, you know, I could buy one or the other. But I could start somewhere, you know. I could start with the cargo van and then, you know, work my way up to the box truck. But I don't want to leave this Walmart. I don't want to leave it. I don't want to leave this to do bread route. I want to put someone over there and work the truck. So let's see how that goes. Yeah, that's, you know, there's not much to show you here. Is every day is the same exact thing, and that's the reason why I haven't you know, put a video out there, because I thought that it wouldn't make any sense. But since I started thinking about this cargo van and then the little box trucks that he has, I said, well, you know what, I might as well just make a video and let these guys know that, you know, another cargo van might be coming. So that's the purpose of this video. And let's see if I could put another video out here for you guys soon with an update. But as of right now, that's all we have. It's just the Walmarts. And like I said, every single day is the same thing. You know, take a picture of all the labels, scan all the labels, and load the pallets in the truck and do everything in reverse. Pull the pallets out of the truck at these Walmarts, pictures, scan, sign on the phone, and we're out the building, back to the yard. Plain and simple, every single day the same thing. Nothing changes other than just weather. We got rain, wind, snow, you name it, we got it over here in Jersey and upstate New York. Catch you on the next video, guys. Like always, be safe, stay safe. God bless every single one of you. And Happy New Year.